Hello everyone, this is Shruti Mistry, and today we are going to learn about what is data sampling in Snowflakes. So, so consider a scenario. You're working with vast tables and databases within Snowflake. So, developing queries and views on such extensive data set demands significant computational resources and time. While scaling up compute resources is a possible solution, it incurs additional cost. So, hence, it may not always be prudent to test and develop queries and views on the entirety of the database. So, the alternative approach involves sampling a random subset of the original database. By doing so, we can access the functionality of views and queries on representative data, ensuring the performance as expected. This sampling technique is not only applicable for development purposes but also for data analysis. In situations where high accuracy isn't imperative, sampling can suffice, sparing us the need to execute queries on the complete dataset. This process streamlines query execution, reducing both computational resources requirement and cost. So here we can see the 15 TB of dataset, which is very large, is sampled into a 500 GB data. So ultimately, data sampling facilitates the development of queries and views on large dataset in Snowflake, offering a more efficient and cost-effective solution. Now we'll see what are the methods of data sampling in Snowflake. So in Snowflakes, there are two approaches of data sampling. The first method, known as the row-based or Bernoulli method, involves sampling each row independently. For instance, if we set the sampling percentage to 50%, each row has a 50% chance of being included in the sample. This method is straightforward and ensures randomness at the individual row level. The syntax is sample row, then we mention the percentage, like here it has 50% chance of getting selected in the sample, and seed helps you to reproduce the sample if you again want to reproduce the same set of data. And the second approach is the block or system method. So it samples the entire blocks of data instead of individual row. These blocks are referred to as partitions, selected with a specified percentage. This method with a this method tends to be more efficient, especially for large tables, as recommended by Snowflakes. So now the question is, which is the right method uh, between these two? So choosing between these methods depends on the size of the tables and the desired level of efficiency. The row method is suitable for smaller tables, offering a more random sampling approach, and however, for extremely large tables where efficiency is crucial, the block or system method is preferred. So ultimately, the choice between these sampling methods depends on the specific requirement of the task at hand, ensuring uh, optimal sampling efficiency in Snowflakes. So I hope that you understood these two methods and how data sampling works in Snowflakes. Thank you.